modular system that would enable you to deliver capability for a number of different scenarios is something that we're very interested in.
The Royal Air Force is redefining military aviation through its partnership with Aeralis, a UK-based aerospace innovator developing a groundbreaking modular jet. Designed to replace aging trainer fleets like the Hawk T-1 and T-2, the Aeralis system uses a common core fuselage, CCF for short, that can be quickly reconfigured with different modules to suit a variety of roles, making it the world's first modular military jet system. This means the same airframe can be transformed into 7 different forms, such as light attack, aggressor, twin-engine trainer, surrogate, single-engine trainer, ISTAR, and tanker, all from one platform. Development began in the early 2010s and is supported by a 3-year contract from the RAF Rapid Capabilities Office, signed in February 2021. Aeralis is poised to transform Air Force operations with cost savings, adaptability, and cutting-edge technology. Supported by the Air Team Consortium, including Siemens, Hamble Aerostructures, Standard Aero, Honeywell Aerospace, Hero DevTech, and Martin Baker, Aeralis leverages digital design tools and open architecture systems to accelerate development. The project aligns with UK goals to boost innovation, creating over 200 high-value jobs and supporting 800 more in the supply chain. Qatar has invested £10.5 million with interest from India and others. The Aeralis Advanced Jet Trainer is a compact, versatile aircraft with measures approximately 12 meters in length, has a wingspan of about 10 meters, and stands roughly 3.5 meters tall. It is designed for training pilots transitioning to 4th and 5th generation fighters, potentially for the Royal Air Force's Future Combat Air System, FCAS. With an afterburning turbofan engine offering up to 9,000 pounds of thrust, or a dual-engine setup with 12,000 pounds total. This aircraft can reach speeds up to Mach 1.2, enabling supersonic flight. Range is not explicitly stated, but likely aligns with the family's reported 500 kilometers for single-engine configurations. It uses a single turbofan engine, likely a Honeywell F124 or similar, with potential for alternative engines like the Rolls-Royce Adore or Williams FJ44, depending on configuration. The aircraft features a glass cockpit, head-up display, and advanced avionics to simulate modern fighter operations. This mini multi-purpose jet is primarily designed as a training platform, so it is not equipped with an extensive weapons suite typical of combat aircraft. However, its modular design allows for flexibility in mission-specific configurations, particularly for roles like Aggressor, ISTAR, or electromagnetic warfare. In these roles, the aircraft can integrate a full combat radar in the nose cone to enhance combat effectiveness for training or operational scenarios. In Aggressor roles, it can carry electronic warfare pods, chaff, and flares to mimic adversary aircraft, offering a cost-effective alternative to using frontline fighters like the Typhoon. For ISTAR missions, it can integrate radar, electro-optical infrared sensors, and data links, surpassing the Leonardo M-346's limited sensor capabilities. In light attack configurations, it could carry small-diameter bombs or air-to-surface missiles, though its payload is modest compared to dedicated fighters. The single-seat configuration provides additional space for electromagnetic warfare equipment or extra fuel, while the dual-seat version supports a student and instructor for training. This adaptability, enabled by the CCF and Pyramid framework, ensures Aeralis can evolve with mission needs, outpacing competitors' static designs. Aeralis, with its modular jet designed for the Royal Air Force, competes in the military trainer and light jet market against several established aircraft from other countries. Its primary competitors, based on comparable roles in advanced jet training, aggressor missions, and light operational capabilities, include 1. Boeing T-7A Red Hawk, United States, developed for the U.S. Air Force's TX program. The T-7A is a modern, advanced jet trainer designed to prepare pilots for fifth-generation fighters like the F-35. It offers high performance and digital avionics but lacks the Aeralis's modular design, requiring separate platforms for non-training roles, which increases costs and logistical complexity. 2. Kai T-50 Golden Eagle, South Korea. A supersonic trainer and light combat aircraft, the T-50 is used for lead-in fighter training and limited attack roles. While versatile, its fixed design is less adaptable than Aeralis's common core fuselage, which supports multiple configurations with shared components, reducing costs by up to 30%. 3. Leonardo M-346 Master, Italy. A widely exported advanced jet trainer, the M-346 supports training and light attack missions. Its avionics are less flexible than Aeralis's open architecture pyramid framework, limiting future upgrades, and it lacks the modularity to switch roles as seamlessly as Aeralis. The Hawk T-1, introduced in 1976, is nearly 50 years old and nearing the end of its service life by 2030. Its outdated systems and airframe fatigue make it unreliable and unsuitable for modern training needs, particularly for preparing pilots for advanced fighters like the Typhoon and F-35. The RAF has phased out most T-1s, with only the Red Arrows and a few units still using them, supported by aircraft in storage. The Hawk T-2, introduced in 2009, was expected to serve until 2040, but has faced significant reliability problems, primarily with its Rolls-Royce Adore Mark 951 engine. In March 2022, a defect in the engine's low-pressure compressor reduced its service life from 4,000 to 1,700 flight hours, cutting the number of serviceable T-2s to an average of 8 to 12 per day in 2022-23, about half the desired capacity. This has disrupted pilot training, forcing the RAF to send trainees to Italy's International Flight Training School. These competitors are primarily designed for specific roles, whereas Aeralis's modular approach sets it apart. Its use of commercial off-the-shelf components and digital engineering further enhances its cost-effectiveness and adaptability, giving it an edge over the T-7A, T-50, M-346, and Hawk in flexibility and life cycle savings. Its export-friendly design and partnerships, like those with Japan, position it to capture global markets, unlike the more regionally focused T-50. These advantages make Aeralis a game-changer, offering air forces worldwide a single platform that outperforms mixed fleets in cost, flexibility, and future readiness. As it nears pre-production, this jet promises to cement the UK's leadership in aerospace innovation, delivering unmatched value to air forces worldwide.